what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
So in this
sir.
video, we got that what? That weekly heat, baby.
Yes,
That
sir.
weekly heat. So these are
Sir.
the hottest shoes that are coming out from May 25th to the May 31st. I'm gonna go ahead and start it off. So on May 30th, we do have somewhat of a rare air. This shoe has never been dropped before. It's the Jordan 3 Rare Air. We did already get this shoe in early. If you haven't done so already, go and check out that video right there. It'll be coming out in a full family size. Retail for men's will be $210. GS sizes, aka babies, will be at $150. Little kids will be $90, and toddlers and infants will be $75. Overall, this is just a clean pair, and I can't say because I do have them in hand. Materials on this is very buttery as far as the leather goes on the black upper. The suede, I'm a little bit disappointed in, only because, I started getting used to that. Hey, I'm a Meunier rugged suede that they offer, and so given this Jordan brand, rugged suede is not up to the high standards that we're accustomed to now, but I'm not mad at these. Overall, this does. We'll be rocking with my Houston Texans alternate jersey. I did just get that in yesterday, so maybe the next video, I'll probably wear that the next time. But let me know your thoughts and opinions about these. So moving on, the shoe features basically a black cement throughout instead of that elephant print on the toe and the mud guard. We do see that suede on the toe guard. We do see that darker suede in that dark gray material. And in the back is that light gray. Moving on to the toe, we do see that it comes with some black laces. And like I told you before, this did come with the extra set of laces. So I'm really glad about that. To make the shoe pop, they did give you some cell laces to match the cell midsole across the side. We do see that blue on the top as well as in the midsole. And it's both on both pairs of shoes. It's the same. They didn't mix these up. Looking at the toe box, we do see that red Jumpman in that red stitching, which makes the shoe pop. I do think that's a nice iconic color for this shoe. One of the interesting things, to my surprise, is the tongue. The tongue is actually suede as well, which I was kind of shocked about that. I thought it would be leather, but it is one of the main differences about this shoe. And as we do see, looking down, we do see that Rare Air branding in the sole. Again, if you want a further detailed review of these, go check out my video because we already did an unboxing about these. And the biggest surprise, if you look at the back tabs in that aged out back tabs, and then we do see that pop of red color, which makes the shoe really pop. I do like that red on the back, and as well as if you notice closely, we do see that inverted Nike Air, which is one of the main features of this shoe. Looking at the bottom of the shoe, I think they did a really nice job, being that they put a pop of color. You see that red pod as well as that Nike in blue at the bottom. Again, this is the overall clean shoe. Of course, I am rocking these. I already got these in my collection. What about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
You know what? I applaud Jordan Brand, right? I applaud them for, I like how they incorporated the red in this shoe. It's a clean shoe. And I like how they just really just flipped that red in different places on the shoe. So nice work there. So in saying all that, I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those. Hey, drop
Yes,
us a
sir.
comment down below if you're rocking those or drop.
Yes, sir. What we got next, my brother?
So the last shoe for the week, May 31st, we do have an Air Jordan 1 High OG Rugby. This is a female shoe and grade school and toddlers, aka babies. Price point for those for women's sizes are going for $180. Preschool, aka babies, going for $85, and toddler sizes, aka babies, are going for $70. This shoe, I'm really liking this shoe. One, Jordan Brand celebrating 40 years. That's a huge milestone to celebrate. So nice work there, Jordan Brand. So I'm really liking that aspect of this shoe. But then I like how they flipped it some. They flipped it, made this shoe really stand out. I like what they did with the toe box, right? That's just different. You know what I mean? Bringing a different flair to this shoe. So nice work there. I liked how the black leather, right? I like how they kept that, and just the heel and the toe box, right? I'm really liking what they did there. They kept that varsity red leather. So this is a nice clean shoe for the females and the babies, but nice work there. And then like the midsole, right? That white midsole. It's just a very simple shoe, very clean, very detailed. I like how they went with the 3D on the logo, the Wings logo. I like how they incorporated that 3D TPU Wing logo on the collar of the shoe. So nice work there. And saying all that, I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those. What about you, my brother?
So I'll be rocking these as well. This kind of reminds me of the shoe that just released, the Jordan 1 Black Toe. However, this one's just blinged out on the heel as well as the toe box. But this is just a different variation of the shoe. But again, let us know down in the comments, sneakerheads, are you rocking these or dropping these?
Yes, sir. Yeah, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed.
Hey, bless others. Peace.